Manicaland Province Executive Committee (PEC) is resolved to co-opt Paul Tungwarara into the ZANU-PF Central Committee, marking a significant step for supporters of extending President Emmerson Mnangagwa's tenure to 2030. Sarapina mashoko kuda panguva inonzi Tungwarara is now set for Central Committee. Kuti wasubscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina mnamo blange kwa mchinzi. The move, approved over the weekend, was seen as a boost for those advocating for the constitutional amendment to prolong the presidency rule. Dr. Tungwarara, a known promoter of the extension, will now have a direct voice in the party's top decision-making board. As ZANU-PF source and medical insight, Dr. Tungwarara's co-option with the Central Committee reflects the dedication to the party's objectives and his commitment to ensuring stability and continuity in leadership. It is a well-deserved recognition of his work at the provincial level. The inclusion of Tungwarara into a Central Committee is expected to strengthen the faction pushing for extension, signaling growing support within key party structures. ZANU-PF leaders have in the past emphasized the decisions regarding the tenure of President Mnangagwa will be taken collectively by the party's leadership, and Tungwarara's co-option places him at the heart of these discussions. Thomas Karipo apamsoro pe co-option ya Tungwarara. Pinako section medals of Ngoro aim to deep answer pechiriko ichi. Chiriku face resistance from the people, but ZANU-PF seems like it's not backing off. Pinako section medals of Ngoro aim, so subscribe or like on Twitter on the bell icon.